Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install VirtualBox latest version, that is 7 on Windows operating system. The process is same for Windows 10 or Windows 11 or Windows Server. Go to any search engine and search for download VirtualBox for Windows. Click on the first link, that is virtualbox.org. Click on downloads. See, the latest version is 7.04. Click on this Windows host. See, once we click on, it has started the download. See, it is downloading VirtualBox 7.04 Win version. Win.exe file. Wait until download completes. See, download has been completed successfully. Click on this VirtualBox exe file. If you receive user account control pop-up, then click on yes. Click on next. It is going to install these features. Suppose if you don't want to install, just click on entire feature unavailable. You want to install, so click on this one. Then click on, and this is the location for the VirtualBox files. Click on next. Click on yes. Click on yes. Click on install. The process is same for Windows 10 or Windows 11 or Windows Server. See, Oracle VM VirtualBox 7 installation complete. Click on, see the checkbox. If you click on finish, then Oracle VM VirtualBox 7 will be started. See, I have already these virtual machines. If you want to create new virtual machine, click on this new. Then here we have to provide the virtual machine name. Then here we have to select the ISO file. See, when we selected, it has populated the ISO file information. Also operating system type. Then we have to provide the username. We have to provide all the details. I am cancelling this one. I will show you in the upcoming videos how to create a virtual machine. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Oracle VM VirtualBox 7.07 version on Windows operating system. The process is same for Windows 10 or Windows 11 or Windows Server operating systems. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.